hear our top 6 speak their truth in the question and answer competition round brought to us by Gem Life. Each of our 6 delegates will draw a card with a question and she will have 30 seconds to answer. Once they hear this sound, it means time is up. The Miss Universe Philippines 2025 question and answer round begins right now with you. Sultana Kudarat.
Hello, Sultan Kudarat. You're looking very beautiful tonight.
But before we start, you want to greet your fans, your family, just to get the jitters out.
Of course, I would like to greet all of my family, friends, and most especially my fellow Sultan Kudarateños. My victory is yours as well.
There you have it. Miss Sultan Kudarat, please take a question from the book. Your question is, the national elections are in a week's time. Our national hero Jose Rizal wrote that the youth is the hope of the fatherland. How can our young people play an important role in our elections?
In our generation, youth has a strong personality. They have the power to choose and vote for the right leaders. That's why tonight, I would like to encourage our youth to be wise in selecting our leaders. Because when we are very wise about this, we can reach the tip of the universe, and the Philippines would definitely be progressive and productive as well. Thank you and good night.
Sultan Kudarat.
Thank you so much, Sultan Kudarat. What a very timely question. All right, you are next. Si Alon Laguna. Good evening, Si Alon Laguna.
You may take your question from the board.
Ninerview it.
Your question is, if you were to be the governor or the mayor of the local government you are representing now, what would be the single most significant project that you would wish to accomplish and why?
I've always known myself to be a committed advocate of education, and I would definitely promote education empowerment across all genders in our municipality, because we all understand that education is the key to open multiple doors of opportunities, the power that no one can ever take away from us, and the solution to feel more empowered and transformed. Thank you.
Thank you so much. Let's call in Muntinlupa.
Looking beautiful tonight, Muntinlupa.
May I take your question from the board? Your question is, on May 12, 2025, our general elections will be held and we will be choosing our leaders. In your opinion, what is the most essential quality that we should look for in leaders? Why?
We should look for someone who has integrity, someone who put people's welfare first before their own political wants and own needs. We should have a leader that is not politics as usual, but someone who will always put other people's wants and needs. Thank you.
Thank you, Muntinlupa. Exactly what we need for May 12th.
There you have it. Muntinlupa, thank you.
Pagig, you're next. Hello, Pagig.
Hi, Gabby. You look beautiful tonight.
Oh, likewise.
Thank you.
You may pick your question from the board. Your question is, women in Philippine politics are still a minority. And here in Miss Universe Philippines, we talk about women empowerment. How will you help empower women and encourage them to participate in politics?
Women today deserve a seat in the table. This time, babae naman. We are at par with men. We are trailblazers, we are leaders, and I think women are definitely a force in the universe. Thank you. Babae power. Cebu City, you're next.
As two delegates, you may take your question from the board.
Dark Horse. Chelsea.
Your question is, just like our public officials, a beauty queen is a public figure whose life is under constant scrutiny. As a beauty queen, how do you maintain your authenticity amidst the expectations of the public?
As I've gotten older, I've learned that the most important thing is the posture of your heart.
You have to ask yourself, am I putting out the best version of myself into the world? And is that something that is helping other people? I don't think there's a reason that we have to live on this earth if we're not impacting people positively. And so I hope all of us can move forward, take people next to us, and move to a better place in our society, because as Filipinos, we can place love above all.
And we are now down to our last delegate.
Come on down. There's our province.
Bumoka ka.
Hi, Cousin Province.
Before we start, you want to greet your fans?
Hello to all my family, my friends that are here. Thank you so much for this support. I can feel your energy here.
Naubos na lahat ng magandang sagot at isa.
You may pick the last question from the board. Your question is, they say that a good leader leads by example. Tell us about one event in your life when you led by example and the impact it made.
Alam niya yan?
I fell a while ago on stage. And the thing with me is, whenever I fall in life, I always make sure I come back stronger. Last year, I was here on this stage, and for the second time this year, I'm here putting everything on the stage to be Miss Universe Philippines, because this is mine and my grandmother's shared dream, and she passed away early this year. And this is my ode to her.
Emotional meaning statement.
All right, ladies and gentlemen, and with that, all 3 rounds of competition are now completed. The top 6 have done their very best in their bid for the crown. Only one of them will wear it proudly and bring honor to the Philippines. But before we find out who it is, let's take one final look at each of the 6 superwomen who can be Miss Universe Philippines 2025.
For one final time, your Miss Universe Philippines 2025 Top 6. Sultan Kudarat.
Susimuran Kwan sa Q&A. Followed by Siniloan. Last si Ate Lee.
Siniloan Laguna. Yagi. Cebu City.
Title. Miss Universe. Diba?